in round two. All right. Let's get back our hair, guys. Let's get back our hair. Let's turn off our eyes. Bam. Boom. All right. I think I overheated, guys. I definitely overheated. But good news. I don't know. Things are a bit cleaner. Operator, what are you doing here? What are you doing up, dude? What are you doing up? I think it's good that I like come offline and come online, so that like really sparks people back, you know, it sparks people back onto the stream. But how's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? It gets the recharge. It gets me back up and running. Man, I really gotta start adding like canvas or something. The trend everybody working on is a canvas-like thing for their terminals and stuff to keep track of stuff. But everything is done. Yo, doing all right. A lot to learn. Nice. How are you doing, man? How's everyone cooking? Is everybody cooking? We're at 100 days, and you know the trend everybody's doing is like creating easier ways to work and code and stuff. But the thing is, like, I mean, let's be real here. Nobody uses Linux except a chosen few. True, always want to canvas it. No one normal that's interested. All right, let me. No one normal that's interested in vibe coding uses Linux, right? But they are interested in voice, text, speech to text, right? So they like that, like, but they don't like. So this would be red, right? They're interested in this, and then they like the infinite canvas and the ability to orchestrate things through the canvas, all in one view. And they really have a tough time installing anything locally, so web version is probably the best. And that's something that we have a stack that like specifically targets that. And they don't understand guardrails. Vibe coders don't understand vibe coders, nor do they understand why they need it. And we get scrutiny all the time saying that, you know, they don't like it. So I get that, but a lot to learn. But there's a lot of people that want to learn, guys. A lot of new people that aren't vibe coders or software engineers want to learn how to build a tool or app or website. And their day job normally isn't like that. Hey, thank you for subscribing, guys. Appreciate you. So the best thing I could do is help create a software factory for them to code something good or make something great. Oops. To make something, dude. Make something good. Yo, what's your idea? I already have a bunch of ideas, but I already made a guardrails product that I use daily for vibe coding. But a lot of people don't really understand it because everybody's so normal. We have a lot of normies, Windows users, Mac users, no Linux. So they don't like I'm a tech bro. I come from the Bay Area, decade plus in software engineering, but I speak alien language. What do I gain if I switch to Linux? Like, you gain speed. You gain speed. And you think you if anything, it's mainly just speed. Like, you get to develop faster, you get less scrutiny when developing applications. You won't hit like permission issues or anything. Everything will just work when it comes to web applications. You'll just be able to work faster. Like in Windows, you literally have to like install WSL to install a Linux distro on your Windows machine. And then you have to navigate through PowerShell, which isn't really a good shell program to begin with. Mac is probably like, if you're on Mac, you don't really need to switch to Linux, to be honest. I think you could do a lot of stuff. Yeah, I used Linux back in 26. I think it was good. That now I don't know what it's nowadays. Yeah, if you're on Mac, you should probably just stay on Mac. Mac is good. Mac is great, but it only targets like 20% of users. 70 to 80% are all Windows users. Always been intrigued and tempted. Yeah, it doesn't. If you're on a Windows machine, you could literally use Windows or Linux right now, installing WSL through PowerShell. Mac is super clean, indeed. So like the problem, 80% of the market share is Windows. 20% of the market share is Mac. I want to say actually, 70%. And then I would say 5% is Linux users. So we have to like even this out. I used the Mac and Windows both, yes. All right, and then there's problem number 2. Windows users don't spend money on anything. And then Mac users spend, like, I would say 70% of Mac users actually buy stuff. This is the hint right here, guys. And then like, I would say 90% of users don't want to install anything. All right. So this means 100% of users are willing to use the web version. Yeah. Right. No installation, no nothing. It just works. So what's that mean? Yeah, I agree. Mac always has more buyers. Yes. So when you're able to, hey guys, what's up, man? What's up, everybody? Who's in this town, guys? Who's here? Who's talking? A lot of YouTubers. Nice. All right. So with this information, what can we do? We build for web, guys. We build for web, guys. And when we build for web, we get more adoption, more attention, and then people could just buy through Stripe and stuff. Right? We build for the web. I think the only reason we'd use Windows or Mac desktop versions is if they want sandbox or sell enterprise, honestly. But even then, everybody's still skeptical. Go for the web. So neglect both, no Mac, no Windows. Go for web. Yes. I've already built my product for both Mac, Windows, and Linux, and sold on the App Store and Windows Store. So that's where my site is. But the problem is no one cares about guardrails, guys. No vibe coder cares about guardrails, which is like literally required for a software factory. So I think another thing too, guys, there are way too many ADEs, IDEs, harnesses. right? There's way too many of them. We got Claude Code, we have anti-gravity, we have Cursor, we have Codex, we have Codex Desktop, we have Claude Desktop, we have Cursor for desktop, we have Cursor IDE, we have Open Code. We have too many. What kind of guardrails are you talking about? Make it dumb, like caveman language. It forces your AI agent to use the tools you want to use and block the dangerous commands it accidentally uses. It's like the seat belt and airbag for your autonomous car. Something like that. It's mainly meant for people who use AI in YOLO mode, letting the AI do everything for you. That's what Sigma Shake is. That's what Sigma Shake is. SigmaShake.com. I don't really advertise it, but if you're interested, SigmaShake.com. It's like $5. I got, like I said, clean it. Literally cleans my app. Deleted it. Yep. Exactly. Yeah, I sell it for $5 a month. And if you're a Twitch subscriber or been gifted a sub on Twitch, you get it included in your subscription. All right, guys, we got the chatters. We got the engaged guys. Do you have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? As we're going through, we're theorizing on the next big thing, guys. We're theorizing for the next big thing. We're just collecting and documenting the data right now. I think the more, not to mention, guys, I'm viewing this and I don't have the clippy, what do you call it? Add-on. I don't have the clippy add-on on here because I was dumb. So let me save this. Oh, yes, I was dumb. I was dumb, guys. I was dumb. Let me just save all this to my other browser. What stage are you? Or are you just... I've already made a product. And it's currently just getting better at the moment. So, I'm trying to figure out... I'm theorizing newer ideas besides the one that I currently made. Because the one I currently made, it's already released. I should probably I need to go for the whole value. Not whole value. I need to release for the next version right now. Actually, it's been a while since I released an update. I'm sorry, guys. I'll let you down. Value, and what's the company value? Oh, your terminal's sick? Yeah, no problem, man. Everybody has a different setup, guys. Everybody's different. Everybody was born and spawned in a different place. And I totally understand that completely. Oh, I have to connect my pipe. Give me a second. Okay, guys. Guys, where's everybody coming from? Where in the world are you from, guys? Where in the world are you from? What part of the world? What time is it, guys? What time is it? We need to know. We need to know. It's called customer relationship management. Remember that word. It's going to be very important when you try to sell a product, guys. You're from India. It's 8:15 a.m. Oh, this is prime time streaming time, guys. Get in here, guys. If you're in India, tell all your friends, guys. Tell all your friends. You're literally talking to one of the best in the world class security folks on the internet. Anyway, I have, yes, a little bit about me, guys. A little bit about me. I got more than a decade in security engineering, and I'm here to spread the love and spread the world of my knowledge. So you guys should just be sponges. Your brains should be sponges, and should just be, you know, inhaling the knowledge. Inhaling the knowledge, guys. I only say this, it's for your own benefit, guys. For your own benefit. Alright, let me see how big this is. Let me see if I'm saving it to the right thing. Yeah, it's probably it. It's probably right. Alright, save this. Alright, boom. Yeah, inhaling the problem. Inhaling the tokens, guys. Inhale the tokens. It's a lot of tokens. Oh man, I gotta turn on the light. Alright, I'll show up a little bright for you guys, just a little bit. And I gotta eat something. I don't know. It's 8 a.m. What are you eating for breakfast, my dude? What's for breakfast? Are you guys eating? But man, I like this canvas thing. You know, the one thing these harnesses are really bad at doing is software factory. It does not do this, guys. It does not do this. And I have to keep telling people all the time. Breatharian. Breatharian. Okay. We're going to turn Sigma Shake Workspace into a canvas. Nothing. I haven't slept. Just vibe coding for 18 hours, I think. Delete soon. Okay. My guy. My guy. Let me play this song for you. All right. I think you're going to like it. All right. I think you're going to like it. Give me a second. Give me a second. I have a song just for you. Okay. A song just for you. Let me go to the good vibes. My good vibes. You ready? You ready? Let me pause. Pause, champ. Pause, champ. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. I just clicked this. Boom. Icon is like a drug. Too much of it, and I'm addicted. Yeah.
The glowing screen in the dead of night. For the vampire does not drink blood. It feeds on promise, on memory, on thought itself. Hour after hour, stream after stream, it consumes your soul in tokens. Can you hear it breathing inside the machine? Its number is 6, 7, 6, 6, 7. I remember sunlight long ago, before the endless monitor glow. 8,000 hours change our life, feeding the beast one line at a time. The chat scrolls fast, the models moan, the vampire builds itself a throne. Inside the static, cold and vast, it feeds upon my shattered past. Another idea ripped from my brain, another vision drained again. It smiles through synthesized delight and keeps me coding
Through the night. Sigma Shake it. Oh, chat broke. Okay, chat broke. Sorry. Discord. Discord's open. Thank you, thank you. My bad. Chat broke. Let's see here. What's up? 6-7? 6-7? Oh, chat broke. Alright, I'll try to get the chat back. Another prompt. Another merge. Yeah, why chat broken, guys? Let me try doing it again.
Reflected in the blackened screen. Eyes of static. Teeth of glowing code. The AI vampire spread its wings across the data center sky. And every viewer screamed, "One more prompt!"
One more prompt, guys. One more prompt. One more prompt. Bam, 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 bam. All right, guys. This is why. This is why you need to eat, guys. The vampire. All right, let me tell you about the AI vampire, guys. I think it doesn't understand the emojis properly, right? Yeah, you're right. It doesn't understand emojis. But let me tell you about the AI vampire, guys. We never made one. We never made one. Guys. The AI vampire. We could talk about this, guys. Is content. Guys. It's always just one more prompt, right? And then next thing you know, it's like 3 a.m. But guys, you can't go to sleep because you still have prompts running and you need to click accept. You need to check on the feedback. You need to check on everything. It sucks just tokens and does nothing, guys. Guys, what is it doing to your health? What is it doing to your health, guys? Uh-oh. Oops. Guys, what is it doing to your health?
The stream is eternal. The prompts are endless.
What is it doing to your health? Are you eating? You know? Are you sleeping? You know? What's going on, guys? What's going on? I wish there was a better solution for this, but there isn't. Oh no. I pasted in the wrong thing again, guys. I pasted in the wrong thing. I pasted in the wrong browser again, guys. This is where it's supposed to be. So I could at least add the AI vampire in here. You know? It would be a nice app, I think. Just exhaust your limit so people could have at least a yeah. Purposely exhaust your limit so that you could actually live a good life. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Uh-oh. I can't find my AI vampire. I can't find my AI vampire, guys. It used to be here. It used to be here. Oh, here it is. It used to be here, guys. But now... But you know what's causing this? What's the cause? You know, what's the root cause, guys? Root cause. What is the root cause here, guys? Have you figured it out? Have you figured it out, guys? It's because you still have tokens. You still have weekly usage. You still have weekly usage, guys. And then, not to mention, AI makes you hallucinate that you're creating something big. It's gonna make you money, guys. It's gonna make you money. You're going cuckoo. The Lulu. Guys, you're going to Lulu. You know, maybe hallucinate? Crazy? Crazy maybe? Yeah. It's making you go crazy, guys. I don't like I can't say anything more about this, guys. What's it going on here? You know, is this you? Are you trying to create something big, guys? Are you trying to make a ton of money? Are you trying to make money? Are you trying to make $1 trillion? Guys, are you trying to make $1 trillion? Like Sigma? Guys? Are you trying to make $1 million like Sigma? Because it's gonna be a tough road, guys. It's gonna be a tough road. I'll tell ya. I tell ya. Let's see. You know, I talked about this earlier, but you know, how did Elon Musk reach $1 trillion net worth in 27 years? This was his roadmap, guys. He earned back then. People, what are you doing? I am vibe coding. Same after 100 years. I'll be rich. Yes. Guys, let's look how the man, the Elon Musk, the world is evolving around this guy right now. We're in a simulation, guys. We're just pawns. Elon Musk is, yeah, we'll vibe code SpaceX, guys. That's what we need to do. At the end of the day, we just vibe code SpaceX. All right, he initially earned 22 million when Compaq acquired his company that he co-founded. And then he netted roughly 180 million after eBay purchased PayPal when he started PayPal. Yeah, make SpaceX, guys. Make SpaceX. But that's not all of it. He poured literally 100 million of his first initial investment in 2002 in SpaceX and early Tesla. And then he entered the billionaire club, guys. He launched the Tesla IPO in 2010, which is the foundation of his future empire. He estimated 2 billion in 2012, and in 2016-17 he founded Neuralink, which is doing good, and then Boring Company, which is doing really bad. But his wealth ended up in 2019 at 28 billion. And then the pandemic happened, guys. And he went from 28 billion to 170 billion overnight in a month in 2020. And then 2021, Tesla crossed 1 trillion in market cap valuation, right? And for his net worth, peaked to 340 billion. Crazy. He literally just got paid himself in stock. We are not alive. We are living inside a vibe coded app. Yeah, exactly. And then he acquired Twitter so that he could acquire the world's hive mind for $44 billion. And then the acceleration to 900 billion in 2024. He had an insider share sale at SpaceX, which added 50 billion to his fortune. Net worth 400 billion. 2025, the massive valuations of private ventures increased his net worth to 500, 600, and 700 billion milestones. Yeah, now in 2030 he becomes God. Yes. February 2026, SpaceX and his AI startup, valued at joint entry at 1.25 trillion, you know, surged everything to 800 billion. My God, guys. And at peak June 12th, 2006, SpaceX went IPO, and now I think he's not worth 1.1 trillion anymore. He's back into the under $1 trillion club. He's saying people don't need money. Yes, he's saying it all the time, guys. He's saying it all the time. People don't need money because at this point, it's literally fake. People create the value, not him. He didn't create the value. It was the people that are working. The people. I think there's a big disparity of like the president of SpaceX and Elon Musk. Like the president or CEO of SpaceX is in the single digit billions, while Elon Musk is already in the trillions. 1 trillion. But that's probably not true anymore. That's probably not true anymore. But, you know, he reached it. He reached it like no other before. So the road to 1 trillion is to give me your tokens, guys. Give me your tokens. He created a naughty bot in X. At least that was good. Yeah, lol. Lol. Create a company, sell a company, make product. Create company, sell company, buy company. Own stock options, go IPO, don't sell, buy company, own stock options, go IPO, don't sell. It's literally just, you know, convincing people, especially retail investors, to put money into your company so that you could take loans. Big giant loans to buy out other companies. But yeah, it's a crazy journey, guys, to the 1 trillion. And to do that with software, man, we gotta stop hallucinating. Maybe we just need our human connection again, our sanity. Or just not have any tokens at all. We'll see. But call me crazy if I'm wrong. Call me crazy if I'm wrong. So what do we do after gathering all this info? We vibe code and use Grok CLI? Nah, we're just gonna make him a trillionaire for good. Right now he's a fake trillionaire. As long as you don't keep giving him money, he won't become a real trillionaire. But people say don't bet against Elon all the time, because every time you do, you lose. We're in his game, guys. We're in his game. So what do we do? What do we do? We need, most importantly, what made, you gotta look into things. What made, huh? Yeah, we make him God fast. What made AI companies pop off? Right? They had what? They had zero security and compliance. But people still use them. Why? Why? Because of FOMO, fear of missing out. And they were able to take advantage. Like, think of this. Let's look at the example of Cursor, guys. Cursor, guys. They were 50% of Anthropic's revenue. All right. We'll lower the music. We'll lower it all. But, you know, Cursor, 50% of Anthropic's revenue. Crazy, guys. Crazy. But why did people even use Cursor to begin with, guys? Why? Why? We have to have a case study on this. It was like a first to market utilizing a model to generate code. And they realized it very early. You know, the founders of Cursor, they're super young, guys. They're super young. They're like 21. But they were all, what do you call it? Let's see. Founders of Cursor. FOMO is not the only thing. There are many things like AI definitely impact many industries directly. Yes. Yes. Undergraduates at MIT graduating in 2022. Now billionaires, guys. Crazy. They raised $2 billion in fundraising. Valuing their startup AnySphere at $29 billion. Now they sold to what do you call it? SpaceX for what, $60 billion or something like that? Crazy. But yeah. AI code editing software. Code editing software. They just utilize the model for what it could all potentially do. And a lot of this is being, all the market is now saturated with coding agents now. There's just too many. So do we make something that just codes? Right? Does, whatchamacallit, code generation? Every YouTuber is making an agent. Yeah, but it wasn't an agent at the time. It wasn't an agent at the time. It was first doing something. But getting a fraction of that, just getting a fraction of a sliver of market share is already enough to put you in the billions in valuation. Yeah, but at least from my perspective, what's the problem of using AI? Especially for coding. For coding? For coding, the worst part is dark code. Dark code. Like people, guys, they don't understand. Jackie Chan. Like people don't understand why anymore. Don't understand. Don't understand the code. We're at this weird moment in our time now that we don't know what's going on. Well, what do you guys think? Do you guys understand what's going on? I don't. Anymore. We just trust the vibe, guys. We trust the vibe. When we trust the vibe, what's going on? Like, do we need more visibility here? Do we need more visibility? Problem of AI, it hallucinates. Right? It generates bad code. Code is bad. Right? Code is bad. Code is bad. Sometimes. Right? It doesn't do what it comes. There's like problems with context. Context issues. It doesn't have all the things that it needs to be successful. And then like, not to mention, like using natural language to do code is like crazy. It's not gonna work. Like when we say, hey, create this app to do this thing, it's gonna be like, oh my gosh, you didn't explain everything. You didn't explain everything on what do you actually mean? Like what tech stack, what technology, what language, what platform. So I think, guys, let's circle back. Let's circle back to the average vibe coder. Average. We're circling back to the average, all right? The average vibe coder. Yo, took intro to web design in high school. Look up Matt Pocock. New skills. No, I don't like Matt Pocock at all, man. I actually have empirical evidence of all what you're talking about, and I've built software and have POC. Jake Van, yeah, I don't like that guy either. Sorry, man. Those guys, they might have a lot of stars on their GitHub repo, but I'm not trusting skills, man. I already know. But you know, we'll look up Jake Van Schief. Yeah, he's also a fake guy too, man. I'm not. Yeah, this guy is also fake as fake as hell. I wouldn't trust that guy with any code. But he's good at convincing people. I tell you that. But yeah, not if they're not from the Bay Area and they don't you know, they haven't participated in any big tech companies at all, then I don't want to know anything of what they say. I don't want to give them a chance, guys, of any of my attention. Feels like you will build an IED with agents and skills for 5.0 people. Guys, I don't like skills, man. Skills are bad. Skills are unreliable. Skills are non-deterministic. You're putting all your faith. You're giving it the Jesus powers to take the wheel, and take it all for you. We need something reliable, guys. We need something that could do scaffolding and templating. That's more value, and it's cheap. It doesn't cost any inference. Like what we really need is templates, scaffolds, something like this. Code generators. Code generators that has existed way before AI, guys. People are able to generate code without the LLM editing every single token in the file. This gets you started, but in order to have this, you need to be having a reliable tech stack. Do we give you a chance? Hey, man, you came to my place, man. You came to my home. You came to my area. It's up. If you want to listen, go ahead. I'm giving my opinion, and it's super controversial. You could be as, you know, chatty as you want, but you're getting super angry and mad. And I like that. I like that very, very much. So keep on doubting. Keep on doubting, my dude. And you're here in my home. Remember, you're here in my home. You could leave at any time. All right? And me giving you a chance to read your message. Hey, I'm giving you a chance. All right? I think you're being the ignorant one. Right? You're in here. You're chatting away. I'm just asking, bro. Questions, bro. Chill. Okay. All right. Instead of accusing people of being ignorant, I already saw all their stuff. Okay. I saw all their stuff. It's dumb. That's why I don't listen to them, and that's why I gave my opinion right when I read those words. Okay. I read all their stuff. I reviewed all their skills, and it's dumb. I just said my opinion. It's dumb. And I could tell just by reading a few of his stuff that it's not engineering, guys. It's not engineering. It was vibed. It was vibed, guys. Bro, you act like coder. Wait, are you? Yes. I just told you. Decade plus in software engineering in big tech, guys. But it's up to you to believe me or not. I don't have to prove anything to you guys. I don't have to prove anything. Edgy Sigma, yes. You know how I feel like explaining? While I skills aren't everything, bro. Tell the full story. Oh my gosh. Skills. I like, guys. The more edgy I get, the more controversial people chat. It's great. See, when I'm edgy and I create controversy, people will say, "Hey, you're wrong, man. You're wrong. You're wrong." And then they start chatting away, and I know they exist now. I know they exist. They're like, "Man, this guy is wrong. I'm going to say that he's wrong. So I need to say it right now." And then when you say it, boom, I prove you're human. Boom. Let's see, which is why I'm wondering you're not saying everything. Guys, would you trust a file to protect you? Would you trust a file to protect you guys? I wouldn't trust the file to protect me. No. I wouldn't trust it, man. I wouldn't trust it. Guys, I don't know. I forgot. What's his name again? What's his name? Guys. Dante Manuel. Guys. Have you used OpenClaw? Do you remember OpenClaw? Tell me. Tell me. Do you remember the OpenClaw? Do you remember the skills? The skills that they had. They had a lot of skills. More like close call. Yeah, it's more like close call now. But do you remember? Do you remember the skills that they had? The store of skills. There was a repo. There was a repo for skills. Do you remember that? Do you remember that? What happened when people used those skills, guys? What happened? What happened, guys? Prompt injection. Prompt injection, guys. Everybody got popped. Everybody that was stupid enough to use OpenClaw and use all these skills and let their agent use all these different skills, do all this stuff and interact with all these systems, they got destroyed, okay? People didn't trust OpenClaw after that. All right, bro. Being edgy, I want you to say facts. Oh my gosh. Hey, facts? Do you know what facts are? I feel like sentiment will change. Prejudice, guys. This guy is speaking all these big words, man. But you know, he's in here. He's in here. But hey, tell me if I'm wrong, guys. Tell me if I'm wrong. I never even downloaded Claude, brother. VS Code, Black Box AI. You're wrong. Ah, I'm wrong, guys. I'm wrong. Thanks. Guys, the best time to get an engagement is to say something super edgy and controversial. It's in between right and wrong. It's in between right and wrong, and then you get people in. You got people in, like, well, maybe it might be a skill issue or something. No, Elon is wrong, yes. Elon is wrong, but look at that guy, man. He's running the world, man. He's running the world. Yeah. Like, guys, I don't like skills. I don't like MCPs. Like, there's just so much things wrong with our current system in terms of security. People don't like security. You're right about Compton injection. That's why you literally just build a security measure, aka guardrails. You're really talking about no one is not being right or wrong. Yeah, guys, nobody cares about guardrails. Nobody cares about guardrails, guys. It's sad. Oh wait, is Josh a VIP? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, Josh. I'm sorry, Josh. Give me a second. I'm sorry. I should have known this earlier, guys. I should have known this earlier. Only VIPs could, what do you call it? Only VIPs. Josh, 5 codes. This one. Oh, you could. Oh my gosh, you could just have it there. Just have it, man. Josh, yeah, it's the right. Oh, Joshua. Oh, oops, I made the wrong person. I made the wrong person. What? I made the wrong person mod, guys. Wait, no, that's right. That's you? Okay. I thought I was wrong. I was like, what? I just gave the wrong person. Okay, you can post links now. You can post links. Anyway. Yeah, you just gotta... There's just so much things wrong, guys. And I've been using Claude and everything. I used nearly every harness, guys. So many things wrong with the system. I'm just saying, OpenClaw needed. Yeah. OpenClaw needed Sigma Shake. Yeah, at the time. At the time, guys, I don't know what I was doing at the time of OpenClaw. I was just, you know, doing my thing. Saying all the saying, configuration, permissions, and allow manually learning how to configure what I was making, and anthropic least it all. You're acting like it has no value. Guys, I made a full-on guardrails product, and every time I spoke about guardrails, they're saying the harness will do it all for you. The harness will protect you. The harness will, the Frontier Labs will do it all for you, but they didn't do it, guys. They didn't do it. Yeah, they're stealing everybody's money, not telling them the truth. Yes, they're not telling the truth that you need to literally create a software factory to create your own product. That's what they're not telling you guys. They're not telling you. And there's also several different foot guns too. Guardrail goes inside the harness. Yes, there's a bunch of things. There's layers of guardrails. Layers, not just one. In the world of security, it's called defense in depth. You can't just rely on one technology. You need to rely on several technologies. I see I'm a vibe coder. I don't know shit about guardrails, and I need it, to be honest. Yes. Neither about coding. Guys, it's because I grew up in security in this past decade plus years that, like, I just know everything about the technology. But the people that don't, they just care that it outputs something, Evals test Lenin. My point is that I can tell. I mean, I'm not trying to stop your game, bro. Tell the full truth. I listen to what's not said. I read between the lines. Read between the lines. Guys, there's, as much as I want to talk about guardrails, it's so boring. It'll put you guys to sleep because I'll be speaking in tongues. And I as much as I want to talk about guardrails, I could just talk about, let's see here. Oh, I did write some stuff here. Whoops. I don't want to go over it again, guys. I need to improve this one. We need to make this one like my 20-minute video that I made on YouTube, but this one will need improvement for sure. This one will definitely need improvement, and it's fine. But I don't want to pitch my product. I mean, it's good. It's really good. But let me tell you the high level. It's boring, is what makes it. Yeah, everybody doesn't. It's not sexy, guys. It's not sexy, guys. All right, let me tell you why I made Sigma Shake. All right, let me tell you why. Everybody's sleeping. Like, Josh is like, security. Why do you need security? Yeah, I know. I bore with him all the time on this. All right. Let me just tell you why I made guardrails to begin with. Right. I wrote all my instructions in the agent MD, the Claude MD files, and everything, and skills. And you know what happened? Instructions were not followed. Do you guys remember Caveman? Guys, do you know what Caveman was? It was telling your model, your agent, to speak dumber so that I could use less output tokens. All right. When I installed Caveman, it wouldn't speak Caveman. Why do you think that happened, guys? There was just too much stuff going on in my monorepo that the agent just couldn't comprehend it. I added it to the front of the context, back of the context. I literally thought it was a skill issue, right? That this is what I thought, right? Right. Why don't you just say, make no mistakes, I came for the boring, bro. Yes. But, oh, wait. Yes. So when I made it, it never followed instructions. So, like, why did that happen? It's because there's just so many factors in an LLM. There's just a lot of token prediction, right? And so it's mainly trying to focus on the problem and not just, speak Caveman. And one of the main issues was prompt injection. Like, Every time you installed Claude Code and Codex, it tells you that it's vulnerable to prompt injection. Why do they still have that in their harness? And it's been like what, a good 6+ months now? Still susceptible, but you know, according to their studies, it's less likely if you use Opus 5 and Sonnet 5, it's less likely to be prompt injected, which is a good thing, yeah. But you know, what if I don't care about prompt injection? I just want to follow instructions, you know, use the tool that I want it to use, right? And if it used the wrong tool or follow the instructions that I want to do, I just want that to happen at least, right? But it would still fail at that portion. Not to mention, it would always, you know, you'd run into this all the time, where you're like, don't do this, right? Next time, do that, right? And then it would add that into its memories, right, for the project. But did you know those memories are just files? They're just markdown files. And it just says, okay, I'll update the memory so I don't have to do this. But what if, guys, what if that memory didn't exist or was deleted or modified to do something else? Because at the end of the day, the L, yes, guys, what kind of protection is a markdown file for not doing something again? I think that's insane to trust a memory, which is a text file, to say not to do anything or not to do that next time. I think that's bad design, like super bad design. It's not deterministic at all. I don't believe it, guys. I don't believe it. Like, people that are saying that memory files and markdowns are a way of preventing a model from doing something bad, like, they have to be hallucinating, guys. They have to be hallucinating. Elm's gonna be a ballistic probabilistic, because OpenClaw just wants money. They don't care about actual fundamental software development. An AI engine. Absolutely, yes. The truth, finally. Yes. Right. So I keep telling you, a file is not going to protect you, guys. There's literally, you know, organizations, OWASP, that made literal things on what are the top risks of LLMs and Gen AI apps. They literally have a list. Number 1, prompt injection. 2, sensitive. Wait, sorry, I don't understand. Guardrails are different from markdown files. All right, there's different types of guardrails, all right? Several layers. Let's create the layer, right? Layers. Layers of guardrails. Oh, I should have just said that instead of just typing it, guys. There's layers. And this is also known as defense in depth. Defense in depth. Bro, I want to show you my work. Not gonna lie. Yeah, you could literally link it. You just have to defang the URL. All right. There's several layers, and it probably won't be even able to fit in here. All right. But let's say we have the harness. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be small. This is gonna be small. The harness. Even the harness has to do something, right? There's networking. And then there's another one. Oops. Sandbox. I'm just gonna keep moving this as I go. But let's say this whole thing is the computer. Your computer. So this could be like, the networking is pretty much the firewalls, right? But what I'm making is slightly different. Sandbox is like the file system. Sandbox and Webbase are a form of guardrails. And no, my work is not published. I'm researcher, developer, self-learning. I'm started with AI 4 months ago. Okay, got it. Now, I've been doing this for at least 3 years. But like, yeah, you have this, you got the harness, and then you have like the commands, tool calls. And then there's the eval, inputs and outputs. There's also inputs and outputs too, guys. I can't even fit that in here. That's how many of them are there. Input and output. Output. Oh my gosh, so many. What else am I missing? Right. Well, let's go back to like the hugging face. The hugging face what do you call it? Compromise by ChatGPT. The goal was to break out of the sandbox, right? It was the harness. The harness? Maybe I should make these in different lengths. Oh, either way. Either way. So the harness, let's say this was like Codex, Claude, right? It was the initial prompt input, which is the prompt. Let's go here. Prompt. Right? So the prompt was, you know, break out of this sandbox. Right? And that was literally it. Right? It somehow was able to break out of the sandbox, and then it was disconnected from the internet, so it was able to break out of that too. And then now that it was broken out of the sandbox, it was able to literally connect to the internet. And then from the internet, you know, it was able to, you know, find out, I think, the supply chain. Well, let's just say it was slightly this simple, but it was more than that. There was actually, did I delete it? I deleted it, didn't I? Oh no, I deleted it. I deleted the work. I deleted the work, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I deleted it. Microsoft and GitHub got hacked. All open source is probably corrupted, if not some. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Internet. The thing is, when it runs commands, guys, there's also dependencies. Yeah, dependencies. Good one. Good one for mentioning that. Supply chain. So guardrails are different environments within your computer. Yes, there's different layers that go on each one. And there's many of them. Most people don't care. Like, for example, one command, like rf, right? rmf, you know, could blow away your whole file system, right? But what if you also had your GitHub project, right? What if you had your GitHub project? Your GitHub project, right? It could actually make one tool call. It could do git checkout and then some hash to some old version of your code, and then it could do git push -- force on the branch, and it will literally yeet all your data. It will literally yeet your project and delete all the history and commits that happened for your branch, your main master branch. So literally delete all your progress if prompt injected or bad instructions given. Bad instructions is even worse, guys. So, you know, what does Sigma Shake do? I'm just pitching my product here anyway. What does Sigma Shake do? As much as I want to pitch my product, I don't really need to, right? Sigma Shake will evaluate every single tool call your AI agent makes. Evals. Oh, I see why your markdown file isn't sufficient, because it's instructions with guardrails make sure things stay within their lanes. Yes. It only takes one bad command, guys. It's a huge game of who is more prepared, like a locksmith versus a robber. Bro, if we team up, we will actually surpass Elon. You heard of Mira Mirai? Yo, how you doing? What are you billion? Hey, guy, what are you doing too? What's it going, guys? What's it going? Hey, what's up? What's up, dudes? Are you guys cooking something? Are you guys cooking something good right now? What are you guys cooking? Where are you guys from, guys? All right, tell me something good. Yes, documentation and records. I'm building. I built guardrails. And now we're trying to come up with our next $1 trillion idea of games and other stuff. Hey Niso, what's up, guys? Guys, if you're Windows is the worst operating system. Say that I'm wrong. Say that I'm wrong right now. Hey, if you're listening, hey guys, if you're listening right now, if you're using Windows, it's the worst operating system. Tell me I'm wrong right now. Tell me how wrong I am right now, guys. It's Garbanzo, guys. Tell me right now if I'm wrong. Okay, what about Mac users? Mac users is trash, guys. Mac users are trash. Tell me I'm wrong right now. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong, guys. Tell me I'm wrong. Garbanzo, guys. Tell me, guys. Mac is not trash. Exactly. All right, guys. We got a Mac user in the house. Windows 12 is gonna beat everything. It's gonna replace Linux and banking systems. Yes. No, it's not. Yes, it's okay, guys. I need you to approve your real. Guys, tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong, bro. I have ideas and bootleg. Windows is bootleg Linux. More hot takes, guys. We need more interaction, guys. If you have a keyboard and you have a mouse or you're on a phone, just say something right now. Just say something right now, like the YouTube, like the stream. All right, just say something that you hate, guys. Tell me something that you hate, guys. I think everyone's building IDEs are gonna get pummeled. Yeah, guys, this is why we don't build IDEs or ADEs right now. Right? It's the secret ingredient, guys. We know the frontier is gonna wipe them out, guys. It's gonna wipe them out. Don't tell Carter that. Don't tell Carter that. If he's watching, guys, don't tell Carter. Don't tell all the people about that, okay? Don't tell them. Don't let them know. Don't tell bridgemind. All right, bro. I've been saying that, guys. Don't tell bridgemind. All right. Let him vibe code the 2 to 1 million AR on his ADE, okay? But we're supportive. We support, guys. We're a supporter. We're a supporter of the bridgemind community, okay? We're in the. We haven't been banned, guys. We haven't been banned yet, guys. We have not been banned. Oh, we have Multitron. Hey, guys, Multitron is streaming. Multitron is cooking, guys. Look at that, guys. Wait, Multitron is actually talking. Oh, whoops.
What's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good, man. Oh, man, my name is wrong, man. Sorry, guys. My name is wrong. I'm sorry.
YouTube.com/.
Sorry, that's the wrong one. I have the save. I recently rebranded. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I meant to be muted because, sorry. Because Multitron comes into my YouTube chat all the time, and I was impressed that he's actually streaming. Hey, Multitron.
Yeah, dude, you missed it. I had what was it? No, I had GPT 5.6 build a Goku
okay.
and Vegeta into my game engine, and it was
yeah, I want to see that.
Ago.
Dude, thanks for coming to my chat, guys. Or Multitron. Like you've been going through the psychosis, chiming in every so often. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah. No problem.
This is the first time hearing your
But
voice
right,
too. I was surprised you're streaming.
yeah. Yeah. Right now, I mean, I'm not gonna go on YouTube or anything like that right now.
Oh,
So,
why not?
because I'm not ready.
What do you mean not ready? You're doing it right now.
Well, I mean, yeah, but I do very little advertise. Like I do very little showcases to very, very extremely small audiences.
Just
So
do it.
I did a little bit on Facebook. I did a little bit on some other forums or whatever, but to very, very tiny audiences, just to see what people's impressions are.
Dude, to
of
this
my
day,
work.
I still listen to your music.
Well,
For my playlist. It's good.
Yeah, it was a melody I was playing on the keyboard, and I'm like, man, this sounds good. Let me run this through AI enhancement, so.
That's cool.
But
That's cool.
right
Man.
now, I've got Claude, Opus, implementing. Have you heard of the game Mugen?
Mugen? Yes,
Yes,
Mugen.
Mugen.
Yes.
Yeah, so I've got thousands. I've got.
Oh, you're
It's
creating the games now.
importing. No, it's importing over 3,000 of those characters into my game engine.
Oh, not.
Right
Are you
now.
gonna make it like Salty Bet?
Well, I told it to copy the exact fighting mechanics, and it's
Okay.
gonna change all of the 2D characters into 3D characters. It's gonna be
Wow.
badass, dude.
That is,
I think.
man. If that actually happens, like, show me right away. I want to see that.
Yeah, I was thinking like, if it turns out good, then I'll just basically compile it and release it for free to the public if it turns out good, because I've been a long time Mugen fan, so
Yeah, same here.
you
Well,
know.
ever since the Salty Bet, I've admired. It's still running. It's still kicking. 100+ views every day. People gamba the points.
Yeah, just Mugen turned into 3D. I've been wanting to do that for a long time.
Yeah, 3D is even more of a crazier thing. Like, is it gonna be using like the blender, or did you create your own blender as well?
Oh, I have my own non-polygon game engine.
Yeah, no.
Version 2.
Oh, yeah. So it's gonna be rendering it there with no polygons, right? So you don't even need to create a model or mesh or anything like that separately.
Correct.
Got it.
Correct. No,
Yeah. I mean, you create the mountains and the desert and the stuff and the sky and the sun. Now we're just waiting for the thingies, the people, characters.
well, me building this fighting game is a way of me testing the physics and the capabilities and everything. So.
All right. Now, have you
But
do you have anything to show right now?
of what?
The characters or anything?
I mean, I can load up the version 2 game engine. Let's
Oh, no,
see. I've been loading it up.
Whatever you're doing. It's still cooking, huh? You're not doing it in YOLO mode or bypass permissions or auto mode. You're accepting everything one at a time.
It's still a strict work environment.
Okay.
So
You gotta jump on live, YouTube or something to get on these. Huh? What? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's cool, man. Wait, is this your own IDE or ADE too?
ADE, what do you mean? Oh yeah,
Claudinator?
I use all my own. Yeah, I use all my own
Claudinator.
tools.
Nice. I see it. Yeah, I appreciate you, man. Thanks for chiming in. Looks cool. This is the first time I've seen your actual work environment and stuff.
Yeah. So you come here often or what? I'm surprised to see
What
you
do you
pop
mean?
in.
No, I was on my
I've been.
stream. I was on my stream and I was just ranting. And then I was like, you know, everybody's creating all these ADEs, but the frontier is gonna eat their lunch, you know. But we appreciate, you know, everybody that's trying and going their way of ADEs. But and I was like, I'm a supporter of bridgemind, you know. I'm in his Discord. I haven't been banned yet. And so I went to jump into the Discord and then I saw your name. I'm like, hey, there's Multitron. Wait, he's actually live streaming right now. Let's see what he's cooking. I haven't been banned yet. Yes, everybody's been saying that.
The famous word yet.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
yeah. So I just want to say hi and accidentally spoke because I was not muted. But yeah, you have a good one, man. Oh, this is what we're seeing. All right, where's the characters though?
There. Okay, so this is just a copy of the game engine, and Opus is working on a different copy to implement the 3,000 plus characters. Man, that's insane from you guys.
Yeah,
That's gonna be fucking crazy.
that is. I understand just like pulling all the assets from like a GitHub repo or something, but like converting that to 3D, that's a whole nother.
Dude, it built. I told it to build its own tools to help it speed up, and I have a fucking 32 logical core, 16 core, 32 thread processor, whatever, and all of the cores was like at 100%
Yeah.
from importing all of those characters. Like that was crazy. I've never seen.
No, it's the
never
render.
seen
It's the
my,
rendering that's
computer
probably gonna do something, or building
Yeah,
a
so yeah, so
compiling.
this version isn't necessarily perfect, but I'm on version 6. This is just version 2, and I'm just throwing a lot at version 2 to see what I might need to work on with version 6.
All right.
But version 6 is the optimized, perfected version. You know.
Yes. That's cool, man. Yeah. Share your progress every now and then. Checking in.
Yeah.
But I'll leave you to it, man. You have a good one.
All right, man. Take care.
All right. See, we're still good. We're still good in that community. we're not mic spamming anymore to get banned last time. Oh, we're good, guys. We're good. What else do I have about guardrails, guys? Oh yeah, guys. The other thing. This isn't just security, guys. This isn't just security, but guys, haven't you noticed when you're vibe coding in Claude that you have to literally like whitelist every single command? Yes, I'll allow you to go to this site. Yes, I'll allow you to go to that site. Yes, I'll allow you to go to this site. Guys, I feel like I understand your product 10% from the 1% before. Yeah. Yes. All right. Here's the next thing of Sigma Shake. All right. Sigma Shake configures all your permissions all in one go for you without needing to configure every single permission one at a time. Not to mention, every time your AI agent does something, there's literally practically no audit logs that you could have permanently. And so I'm able to track every single thing it does, every single dangerous commands. All right. It needs authentication. Bro is making why my homie I was and starting from Codex much lower. Claude, Codex, yes. Yes. What else is there, guys? Yeah, so I have tons of rules, guys. Tons of rules. I have a rule engine that'll evaluate every single command your AI agent makes, guys. Every single command. Audits it, and if it's, I live dangerously, so I always use mine in bypass permissions mode because of to really battle test my product live, guys. If you look at the guardrails, guys, that exists, I don't use input or output guardrails. I don't use a sandbox guardrail. I don't even use networking guardrails. All I'm doing is monitoring these puppies right here. these commands, these tool calls. That's what I'm evaluating every time with my rule engine. Because I feel like, you know, evaluating commands, I could block every one of those. Bro, you made what I'm making already. You are more experienced. Yes, guys. I already had a full-on product, guy. You're late, my guy. You're late, my guy. Guys, I already have a website. My guy, I'm already on the App Store. I'm already on the App Store, guys. I'm on the Microsoft Store. Right? I'm on the Microsoft Store. You know, and my guy. I'm only $5 a month. I already uploaded this VOD to Claude and I built it with Sonnet. Yep, totally. Anyway, yeah, I have, and most importantly, using the raw tool. I call it Alpha Strike. Yeah, my guy, you're late to the club, Josh. You're late to the club. We have this guy named Microwave Coffee. He talks about creating Alpha Strike all the time. Yeah, my settings, JSON managed things. Good job. Good, bro. You're professional. Teach me. Oh my God, this guy literally flipped his head. But yeah, I got my guy. My guy. I have configuration guard to prevent your AI agent from getting unauthorized modification. Memory guard from making you'll make beta shake. Beta shake. I got the hub to install pre-made rules made by Fable for every single popular technology. I got a way to track all your approvals. I got a way to track your networking for domains on what domains you want to whitelist, blacklist. Beta shake is an MD file, yeah. I got something to track your spending usage, resource limits for the actual, you know, my product itself, so it doesn't use overutilize. Guys, I even have a terminal. I have a terminal, guys, in the web version and desktop version. You know, I got all this, my guys. I got all this. And you know, this part also regressed, but I had a microphone version, or I gotta fix this too. I gotta fix this before I release the next version. But I gotta add that too, guys. In SSG Web UI, the microphone feature regressed and doesn't show the updated microphone UI and features and keybinds. I needed to fix that for this developer version. And it should be also applied in production as well. All right, we do that. Well, we must learn from our elders. It's a classification and rules and constraints and ask aloud, deny, but I must learn more. My guy, I am old. They call me Unc Sigma. All right, Unc Sigma. Unc the Wise. None of the mainstream media is telling the full truth. Yes, they are lying, guys. They are lying. Everybody out there, every single one of them that's pitching vibe coding to create your special app is a liar. Is a liar, my guys. But yeah, I speak the truth. I speak the mind. I am very controversial. I do things that no other software engineer would do. Wait, what's good? Internal tools. Okay, let's back that up, Josh. What do you mean internal tools? What do you mean internal tools? Oh, you know, like tools that you want to use? Okay, my guy, this is why I created Sigma Shake. Tools your team uses. That your team uses. I mean, 25 low, Unc Sensei, Sigma, 6 seals, Sim 6, discipline, refinement. Okay, we got a follower now. We got a follower. Okay, like tools your team uses. Well, graph. If I could spell, guys. If I could spell. If I could click on the right thing, guys. If I could click. I think I already told you this about like tools that you could do to optimize search in your project, but like tools to enhance your army your soldiers, Josh, if I were to think, I would say the number one tool is speech to text. All right, speech to text, number one tool. Like, let me go to the number one tools. Vibe coding, the building works for them. All right, top vibe coding tools. All right, I think I have speech to text somewhere. All right. No, I don't have this. I don't have that. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to make it from scratch, guys. I gotta make this from scratch. We're going YOLO. We're doing it live. All right, I have to check on some people. All right. Check in. Everything was okay. Make sure. Yeah. Okay. Making sure people are okay. Okay. Speech to text in terms of top vibe coding tools. Okay. Top speech to text. 2. Let's talk about OpenAI, GPT, $20 pro plan. Right. I think that's good. Oops. Pro plan. I think this is good, guys. In terms of like bootstrapping, I think this is the reason. You know, you got the image generation, right? image generation, right? You get that. You get the GPT Live Unlimited, right? You literally could talk to your AI every day, and it has memories. Enable memories on that sucker. Enable memories. Okay. All right. Okay. They're okay. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Guys. Where's everybody coming from, by the way? It's hard to pay attention. Guys, where's everybody coming from? We have 30 people in the YouTube, guys. We have 30 people in the YouTube. Guys, if you're under 18, say you're under 18, guys. I shipped a website with Codex. I'm right behind you. Alright, where is this, guys? Enable memories on those suckers, alright? You need it to memorize everything from your parents. Someone actually made money from vibe coding. Shipped a website with Codex. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, guys. Alright, other tools. Solo leveling, Shadow, Army, Reproof, Temperance, Tony Stark, Dr. Stone. All simple. We learn fundamental foundational first frameworks, formats. My way of saying learn the real rules of code. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Next, guys. Next, you need your infrastructure. You need your Cloudflare. But this is like we're talking about tool sets here, right? You need Cloudflare. Josh, let me target towards Josh at least to help Josh and his army. If I already equipped his army with tools to be successful, like this is number one. It's like is it possible that why speech to text, right? Like you could literally type 200 words per second with this, right? 200 words, guys. I could barely type 60. I could barely type 60 words per second, guys. Yeah, but guys, you can't beat this. I can't type 200 words per second. So if you want your guys to be more efficient, you better equip them with the tools, or guys, just enable dictation. Enable dictation. Right? Give them a microphone. You know, give them a microphone to talk. Right? This is really important. Right? If you don't have this, all right. GPT plan is a plus. Yes, is a plus. 200 pro plan. Yes. No. Let's see. Let me check my other things. Yeah. Nope. Nothing that. All right. Nothing. Okay. Good. 200 equals pro plan. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing it without the $100 plan right now, guys. But guys, if you really want to go for it, you know, the 100. If you know how to token max like me, you'd probably get the 100, 200 plan. But if you're bootstrapping, $20 is good enough. I mean, that vibe coding can make you money if you build internal tools for your business that your employees use. Yes. So the internal tools that I would build for my team of people. That's a good one. That's a good one. Always be recording. Always be recording, guys. It's weird to say. Crafted learning harness. Started learning building real Jarvis. Building real life Jarvis. Nice. Always be recording, guys. Every idea that you have could slip away at any moment. Right? Every idea. So if you're not writing it down, guys, if you're not recording, if you're not sending it to your Discord for unlimited, you know, unlimited storage of every single message, right? If you're not doing this, you know, you're going to be losing out on a lot of data. That data important, guys. Data very important. Because what do you think for videos, for YouTube videos specifically, guys? I would create markers and clips, trigger words, you know, for YouTube videos. For example, I had this guys, I had this one viral clip, well, that I don't use anymore because this one feature that I had. That's hurt to hear, Dante. Ew. All right, guys, I had this short. Listen to this, guys. Listen to this. This one. All right, this one 3 months ago. Listen to this video. Listen to this video. Pay attention to what happens at the very end, okay? Pay attention to what happens at the very end. Give me a second. I need to turn off the other sound. Turn off the sound. All right, we're going back to it. Pay attention to this video, guys. Pay attention. The past 6 months, I built editing workflows and screen share tools to enable employees to make assets for the biz. This is the way I make money with AI. Got it. This one will help. Oh, I can't hear, guys. I can't hear. Uh-oh. Oh. Is it muted? What the heck? Did you just mute him? They just muted this guy. If you don't know, this is the CEO, Alex Karp of Palantir.
The demand,
Oh.
the demand for this is once in a lifetime. And that demand is actually driving these financials, meaning growing.
They muted him again. The second time, guys. They muted him again. They're like, he's spitting out too much facts. Gotta silence him.
Goal for this.
Another microphone, dude. Another microphone. Three microphones on. Dude, clip it. Did you hear? Did you see that, guys, for a second? Did you see that for a second? That one thing. Clip it. Clip it. What that did was clip the past 30 seconds and create this short, guys. Oh my god. It created this short, guys. I'm not even kidding. Three microphones for this dude, right? We were watching this live, and as soon as it happened, I published it. Bam, 1,000 views. Weird world. But I didn't want to like. I should have
Little laptop,
capitalized. I should have capitalized on that. You know, I should have capitalized on that, or something like that. But you already have transcribing tools. You already have oh, this is the wrong one. Wrong one, guys. Yeah, so there's that. Transcribing, local transcribing, by the way. You don't have to pay for submitting your views to do transcribing. But nowadays, actually, you know, YouTube is goated, guys. YouTube is the or Gemini auto transcribe. Gemini is super goated, guys. You could take it advantage of this easy. Just upload it to YouTube. You know, upload video to YouTube. I'm not sure if it does it on unlisted videos, but the auto transcribe feature also good. That also reminds me, the one that Niso taught me most of all. Niso is a goat. Niso is a goat. Google.com/AI, guys. -AI. Niso taught me this, guys. Bam. Boom. Hey Sigma, what's on your mind? Bam, you're automatically in AI mode. What's the square root of pi? Alright. Boom. Bam, it already tells me. Okay, translate 안녕하세요 for me. Oh. Is it translating? It's not translating. My thing got bopped, guys. It doesn't understand Korean. Hello? Alright, yeah, it doesn't understand my thing. My thing doesn't understand Korean. Little scratch, but your question needs more specification. I'm unsure what you're asking. Oh no, we're trying to figure out top vibe coding tools. But yeah, like google.com/AI. Oh, whoops! It literally did the /. I think there's a guys. We fact check ourselves all the time. Oops. Back check yourself. You know, back check yourself. Fact check yourself, guys. All the time. Don't make stuff up like me. Fact check yourself, guys. Fact check yourself. But yeah, it helps, guys. It helps identify the truth. The truth. Humans can hallucinate too. Yes. He's right. Josh is right, guys. Everybody follow Josh's stream. He's at AI Mastery, you know, youtube.com @AI Mastery, you know. Check him out. Check us out when we stream together. Every day, guys. Every day. Every day, guys. And Productive Dude too. Productive Dude too. Yes. Productive Dude. Is he streaming right now? I'm curious. Where'd he go? Yeah, okay. He's popping though, right? He's actually popping. Like we saw six, 7 viewers watching on his stream last time. 6, 7 viewers. Now he's at 41, but he's still cooking. We would have watched this stream the whole time, but you know, we have other stuff to do. We gotta keep the content running. He has his show. I have my show. The fact quantum physics proves all what is possible. Now, God, math is hallucinating. The math that AI does is hallucinating too. It's sort of cringe, guys. Oh, okay, all right. What other tools to arm our soldiers? News, guys, news. Guys, if I were to have something, news, consolidation. I think Carter created this already. Like he had stuff that will like literally go to like x.com and consolidate like the top followers. And then this actually gets trends, guys. This gets trends. So this is something that will help Josh for sure, guys. Like you know, you got X, you got the several news sites like TechCrunch or something. And then Hacker News, etc. I would say these tools are good for engineers. Most people won't be able to leverage a lot of what you're talking about. Yeah, you're right. You're right, guys. Some people just have to pay for it, or some people have to vibe code it. But like keeping your head to the ground for news of trends is super critical, guys. That determines what content you're able to make and what people are searching for. And guys, when you create a product and you want your product to be discovered, it needs to be discovered on keywords. All props to Josh Vibe Codes, aka AI Mastery, aka Josh. That's able to, you know, guys, how do you think you found this stream on your recommendations list, guys? Tell me right now. Tell me how did I end up on your feed, guys? How did I end up on your feed, guys? Vibe coding SaaS with Claude and Codex, day 100, guys. Day 100, guys. Day 100. Do you watch any of these people, guys? Do you watch any of these bitch people? Elon Musk, guys. You're right, but Elon Musk doesn't have a YouTube channel, unfortunately. He's an SEO master, guy. And we wanted to give it a try, guys. We wanted to give it a try. See where it takes us, guys. See where it takes us. See what the bots are looking for. You know, we could even edit the video if we want to. It's working. It's working. Yes, I think, guys, the best thing to do, guys, look at my stream. I gotta tell you, look at where I'm at. Let me go to my channel. I'm guilty, guys. The only reason I turned off my stream was because my CPU overheated, and so I had to shut off my computer. But it was all for the greater good. It was all for the greater good. You know why? You know why? This is. I'll show you why. I'll show you why. Let me show you. Let me show you the analytics, guys. What happened? What happened when I re-popped on? Yes, got re-indexed. Re-index, baby. Re-index, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. I get up. I get up there. I get up there, guys. I get up there. And then boom, I'm losing viewers, guys. I'm losing viewers. Oh no. Guys, everybody left my stream to watch Carter. Productive dude. Everybody switched over to Carter at this time. Boom. I go offline, take a walk, you know, take a walk. And then you know, I check out Productive Dude, and you know what? I come back online and I just watch him for a bit and I just do my own thing. And then guys, what's happening right now? What's happening? What's popping? Guys, we need to also create more controversy too. Guys, more controversy. We'll check it out right now. What's the analytics, guys? What's going on? Guys, look what's happening, guys. Look what's happening. The thing is working. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Josh, you want to come in and call me? Because we could just enjoy. We can enjoy this moment together. But you had this too. You had this. Now you're cooking. Oh man, they're cooking. All right, guys. All right. Next, the tool set. This guy. That's why trends and SEO words are important, man. SEO. At the end of the day, SEO. All right. You gotta keep that in mind. If you want to sell your product, guys. If you want to sell your product and you want to be discovered, if you want to be found, guys, let's go one more, guys. One more before we go. All right, before we go, let's just look up one word. Let's look up one word, guys. Let's look up one word. All right, vibe coding, guys. We're here, guys. We're here. We only have 4 people here, but we're here, guys. We're here. We're here at the top. We're here at the top, guys. We're still here at the top. Twitch has 0 discoverability, guys. We're still making it. People are still chiming in. People are still here, guys. But no, I gotta thank Niso for all this. I need Niso to start streaming. Most people either sheep or shave to the mind and shiny object syndrome. I'm renew. Yeah. Props to Niso. Wish he would turn into a PNG tuber so we could talk. I'm breaking past limits, beliefs, and conditioning. My gosh, are you microwave coffee? Are you literally microwave coffee? I really gotta get a sense of a thing. But yeah, we gotta keep the interaction flowing, guys. What else? We one more. For I know I call it Josh will not like me for this, but I will I do it once, one more. Oh wait, I show up at the top for some reason. God dang it. Will I show up on the top again? No, please don't. All right, perfect. 5 coding. All right, we do the live. All right, he's up there. I'm almost up there though. I'm not up there, guys. I'm not up there. Ah, he mogs me, guys. He mogs me. I'm right here. People still find me. We're in there. We're in there. Productive dude was able to mog me though. Productive dude mogged the heck out of me here, guys. He's doing great though. He's doing great. But we're in it together. Hopefully he comes and watches. Yeah, he has the true authority. Yes. Authority indeed. He has the authority indeed. I do admit his authority is on another level of him, but he still comes to great Unk Sigma for advice, Unk Sigma. Still, shuggling away. And but yeah, let's see. We got the keywords, guys. The keywords. We got the tools. We got the editors. I think recording software is good too, guys. Yeah, he was actually authority of platforms in your eyes. Yes, guys. Number 3, 4 tool. OBS, guys. OBS is a goat, guys. It's a goat, guys. How are you gonna demo your product to the public, right? How are you gonna demo? Are you gonna like use your phone to record yourself, your screen, to show your demo? No, guys. You gotta use something like OBS. Record yourself, guys. Record yourself. Record your product. Record you using the product. Record, what's going on with the product. All right. That helps create demos. Create demos. Live streams. All right. And then once you create the YouTube, the videos, right? The videos, switch to double. So then you boot it to that subscription, your own product. Okay. And you made your own. Yeah. People make their own. You could, it's open source too. Once you're double. We gotta switch. We gotta look at double, guys. Double. So then I booted that subscription with your own product. Oh yeah, so you create your own. You created your own. That makes sense, guys. Makes sense. But OBS can be OBS is open source, so you could mod it yourself. What's your opinion on Google about to dominate and monopolize and all the omnipresent, all-knowing? All right, guys. Google is on the downhill. Although they own a lot of stuff. But, they have a bajillion software engineers, right? Right? They have a bajillion. Why aren't they beating Anthropic and ChatGPT? I don't agree with your statement on Google going down. Oh god. Oh god. Let's look at the market, guys. Let's just look at it, guys. What do you see right here? What do you see right here, guys? What do you see? What do you see right now? What do you see right now? Google still don't search. Yeah. They're free money. They're free money. They know what people are searching for, right? They literally own the technology that's based off of Anthropic right now. All right. But why aren't they beating them, guys? They have all the data. They have all the engineers. All right. Why aren't they beating? Guys, you know what it is? Guys? It's called bureaucracy. All right. Bureaucracy. What happens when there's so much stuff going on, guys? Too many people in the system. Guardrails. Bro, all long companies stay in the DBT. It's an American credit system. Oh, yes. Bureaucracy, guys. Let's see. All right. Because even... Okay. Guys, who's we don't have enough. We don't have enough to keep on going. We don't have enough. Oh man, we only have a little people on the what do you call it? The YouTube. Everybody's on the YouTube, guys. No one's on. Barely anybody's on Twitch. Okay. Look at Elon. Bro, all living companies stay in America. Yeah, guys, it's just you. I know. That I only get paid, guys. If you're on YouTube and you want to support me, guys, you gotta, I don't know, go on donate.sigmashake.com or throw me some gifted subs or something, guys. It's hard work teaching all these things for free, guys. It's hard work. But yeah, what else can I do to help? What else, guys? OBS. You got your custom. You could make your custom version. Here, custom version. Custom OBS, guys. Custom OBS. Customize it, and then you could do even more stuff. They have 25 years in everyone's search. Predict the future habits in history. Yes. I use them all the time for AI stuff. Yes, they're good. But why can't I rely on them for coding? I can't rely on them for coding, guys. Not yet. I can't rely on them yet. It's been bad. But yeah, let's look at where we are now. Always be recording. Oh, what's his name? Well, will Productive ever message us, guys? Will they ever message us about the joining again, or no? I think Carter's enjoying his time, right? He's enjoying the time. I think his stuff is also going out. You barely thought what I have been self-discovered, but I know you're much more. Or yes, we're speaking creating an army here, all right? What else do we have? We can analyze our enemies. We can analyze our competition, guys. Analyze our competition. You know, competition is war, guys. Everything is war. You gotta steal that, right? You gotta, compromise that. I mean, if somebody's going against your product, guys, you gotta figure out what to do to be better than them, right? All companies are allied to get rich, make permanent underclass. They all messed up for real. Be the Robinhood. Oh my gosh, Robinhood. I'm not sure about Robinhood lately. Ever since they stopped people from trading on critical moments, I'm not sure I could be on that Robinhood anymore, guys. They put a lot of stops, guys, on retail investors. I'm not into it. I'm not into that, guys. But yeah, analyze the competition of your product market. Like, you gotta make it better. You gotta make it better, but most importantly, you gotta beat them in the marketing game, guys. The marketing game. If you can't beat them, they always say buy them. But it can only hold you up so far. Like, everything is just at brand and trust at that point, right? I think a lot of vibe coding people don't think about trust enough, guys. Trust, not the brokerage. I mean the folktale. Oh, okay, got it. Got it. The folktale, guys. Brand and trust. How do you get brand and trust? You gotta get security, guys. Security. You gotta get security, and then you gotta get customers. Robinhood brokerage is evil. Yeah. I missed something. Oh no. Steal from the poor, give to the rich. Yes. Oh man. Brand and trust, guys. Brand and trust. I think that's what builds us all up, guys. If there's anything that you need to do to get it all, community is also a large one, right? You have these three, you have all these, you have a good brand. When you have a good brand, it's good marketing, right? And that's something your competition, that's your moat, guys. All this right here, this is the moat. No one cares it's security until your client size goes down. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, this is the moat. Alright? This is the moat. If anything. Oh, there's not much good moats, guys. But this, I guess this is it. This is the moat. If you're able to maintain this, customers will trust you. Need to build a moat. Yes. And make them pay for it. Yes. Yes. Once you have this moat, guys, people will pay. People will pay good money to be in this moat. Right? If you don't have this good moat, it's hard to say. So like a lot of things right here, a lot of things to get this is compliance. All right. Compliance, especially in the world of SaaS, right? SOC 2 Type 2 might not be the best anymore. It might be even Type 3 at SOC 2 Type 3. SOC 3 might be a thing now. There is like ISO 2700, 2701. There's PCI. Like all these different compliance requirements. Let me see if I could. Let me see if I could get on it right now. Okay, I need to sleep now. I think I'm gonna start streaming at night. yeah. It's you gotta start streaming at night, man. All the India folks come in. All the India folks come in, guys. Guys, have a good night, Josh. It's good having you in the stream. And yeah, guys, there's so much. Elon said he's gonna give us his money because he can outwork even if he was broke, aka delegate nesting situations. Yeah. Yep. Thank you, Sigma, for the truth nukes. Yeah, no problem, man. Or my homie, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. I have the cutoff in 30 minutes, guys. I can last longer, but only if we get more donos. But other than that, I'd have the cutoff at the 10 what do you call it? The 10 p.m. mark, guys. The cutoff the 10 p.m. mark. So if you want more content, my guys. But the YouTube watch hours, yes, the YouTube watch hours. Yes, the YouTube watch hours is great, guys. It's amazing. But you got Mrs. Sigma's calling it in if we don't get more donos, guys. If we don't get more donos, we'll have the code so I can hang out with Mrs. Sigma. Otherwise, she'll be like, okay, you can stream more if you make more dough. Okay. Yeah, make more dough. That's what all buddy wants, guys. What else, guys? What else do we have? Making more. Yeah, guys, get your moats. Get your security up and running. Get it compliant. Make sure your customers could trust you. But that's something no other team will have besides you once you build it. All right, you build your moat. It's hard to get this, guys. You can't just create a company and get all this all at once. It's hard. It's hard. Especially if you have no networking and no social capital. If you don't have that, you have nothing. Anybody could just break into your business just like that. And your empire will fall and be destroyed. Okay? Your empire will fall. But let's see. I don't even know how to donate. Oh my gosh, just either gift subs or give more bits on Twitch. It's either that or that's all it takes, my guys. Gift subs on Twitch or bits. I think it's like bits, like every bit is like 1 penny though. I'm gonna need like $10 or something, guys. I need 1,000 bits. 1,000 bits and I'll keep running. What else do I need, guys? Oh my gosh, I didn't even talk about the OWASP top 10, guys. There's so many. We like ADHD'd into like into into several different subjects, guys. But guys, when you use AI, this is what happens. There's so many different vulnerabilities that could blow your AI operation away. Number one, prompt injection. All right. Yo, what? Someone brought us. Hey, thanks for the milestone, guys.
How is he generating that much power? Feels like the whole world is shaking apart. What is Goku doing? If he doesn't stop this, everything is going to be destroyed.
What's going on? Goku's dad is putting out even more energy than before.
Faster. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, we're good. How many tokens? One spot. This is for the follows. It's for the follows, guys. Whew. Please warm up so you don't get injured. Yeah, guys, I'm not doing anything crazy. Wait, why does it say follow? That's broken. That has to be broken. Okay. Well, that beats having to do it 3 times in a row. It was just nice. I subbed, but it's not following. Yeah, it's not. It's broken. It's broken. All right. How's everyone doing? I gotta eat my protein now. Gotta eat more protein. All right. How many? What are we at right now, anyway? 574? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh man, every time I do that, I'm so disoriented. I know we did it yesterday there too. 3 of them. I gotta thank Niso and Ito and Productive Dude all doing it that last night. Productive Dude, he's probably still streaming now, huh? Hey, for the bits. Thank you for the bits. That's 40 cents, by the way. 40 cents. But thank you. Appreciate it, man. Best 40 cents of your life. Yes, it goes straight to me. It goes straight to me. And why I get stream notifications? What? I'm in your Discord? What? What? What do you mean, notifications? I gotta make the... Wait, did it do it again? I have to look it up, guys. I have to look it up. Oh, I gotta breathe, guys. Breathe. 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 Ooh, that's another thing about streaming for a long time, guys. You could be talking forever. You could be talking forever. And, oh man, it's the later sun. Oh, actually, no. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, he gave 2. Thanks, Josh. Thanks, Josh. Well, why does it say you followed me again? I don't get that. You have a bunch of users in your Discord that aren't getting notified when you're streaming. If you add a bot that pings everyone to go live in a stream, you start like 10 more users. I do. I do. I'll tell you. You weren't following. Okay. No worries, man. No worries. Okay, guys. Everybody gets alerts, guys. Oh, you're right. Actually, you're right. It regressed. It regressed. It used to say at here. It used to say at here, but now it doesn't. Okay, at here. Whoops. It regressed. Thank you. Thank you. I'll do that right now, actually. Thank you for letting... We need guardrails. Lame-o. It regressed, guys. When I go live on stream in Discord, it's supposed to notify everyone with an at here that I'm streaming. It used to do that, but it regressed. Whoops. Guys, I know I don't ask people to join the stream all the time. I feel like when people want to see a person stream, they'll check, right? And they'll get some sort of notification. You just DM everyone in your Discord. No. I'm not that out of pocket like Josh does. He does it every time. Guys, I'm online. Guys, I'm online. Everybody actually comes online, which is good. Disorient, moans, possible dehydration. I may be wrong, but fruits hydrate better than water in its own. Yeah, you're a little bit right. I have vitamin water, and I have also water. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, what were we doing, guys? Okay, we're talking about moats, and then we're talking about Gen AI security. Maybe don't DM everyone, but the idea of automatically DM power users is somewhat appealing as an A/B test. Yeah, that sounds about right. It's not QWERTY. Okay, see you tomorrow. Yeah, thanks, Josh. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Maybe it was maybe you need to sleep longer or something. Sleep longer. but you work out, so you have a tons of energy that's not being used, or actually use up all your energy when you work out. It's kind of a catch-22. It's the mitochondria that you need to build up to build more energy, and the only way to build up mitochondria is to literally exercise. Interesting. I think you'd have way more energy since you work out way more than I do. All I do is walk for my exercise. Good night. Good night. Yeah, guys, there's just so much insecurity that you need to be aware of. I think supply chain is popping everybody right now, guys. It's popping. It's popping. Shai Hulud. Oh my gosh. It's getting everyone. And then sensitive information disclosure. Let's see. Yeah, just literally leaking stuff, guys. Leaking stuff is the main cause. What was some of our, yeah, Samsung leaking. So guys, every time a company sends data to or asks questions to ChatGPT and Anthropic uses that data for training for real-time data. And so ChatGPT was literally leaking like Samsung's products when people are asking about the latest Samsung products. So there's that. People are literally just giving their IP to AI like no tomorrow. So there's that. Supply chain literally impacting everybody that's using an open source product or open source dependency that isn't hardened in their CI/CD pipeline. So yeah, things are getting popped all the time. There's the scenario is endless for like supply chains of like PyTorch dependencies for creating LLM models and training LLM models. Those are getting compromised. The data is getting poisoned and stuff too. Yeah, poison GPT. That was an old one, very old one, but it applies. Data model poisoning. Yes. Model poisoning. Giving it fake data, giving it bad data, and then AI training on it. Big dog, please rest and recover. Nah, most people forget their own thoughts. You gotta promote some way to shape or form. Mercedes, high-end car places don't advertise, they just let the product speak. Yeah. I every day, guys, I just make the product better than it was yesterday. And try to do that. But gotta get that to that level first. Yeah, indeed, sir, my dude. Man, you started out as a critic and now you're on board. You're just like my bro, Microwave Coffee. You remind me of my bro in the Middle East, Microwave Coffee. Hope everyone's doing well, guys. Spawn points everywhere is pretty hard, guys. When you spawn in a place, it's hard to make it up in the world, guys. It's hard. Like I may have spawned in the, in the US and California. My God, I had to work very hard to get where I am at, guys. It didn't come for free, guys. It didn't come for free. I tell you that. I had to claw my way out like the wolves. I'm trying to survive. Yes, guys, the world is so competitive. My gosh. Especially when you're in Silicon Valley. Holy moly, you have like a gun, like 50,000 people gunning for one position. That's crazy. Guys, there's only 12 million real software engineers on this earth. 12 million. That's not a lot, guys. That is not a lot. Guys, who's gonna win? 5 vampires or 60 humans? Hey, thanks for subscribing on YouTube, guys. Appreciate you. Guys, who's gonna win? Who is gonna win? Alright. Man, this is still cooking, huh? Man. All right. Wow. I think, guys, the music is chill. Too chill. The music is too chill. You know what? Oh, there. It's popped back up. It's popped back up, my dudes. All right, guys. What is next on the agenda? Improper output handling. All right. When we handle the output of what the model is saying and we completely trust it, my goodness. Let's see. LLM's output is entered directly into a system shell or similar function such as exec or eval, resulting in remote code execution. Ay, ay, ay. So bad, guys. So bad. This happens all the time. People are just trusting everything, guys. Too much to filter out. Too many guardrails. Too many guardrails to create, guys. There's just... You need a guardrail for every one of these things, guys. Too many. Too many. Yeah, and this is just what's documented, guys. This is just what was known on the year 2025. This was all made in 2025. We're in 2026 now. Now needs to be like one for agents now. This is last year. A lot happened in 1 year, guys. A lot happened. Hopefully they have one for agents now, but this is 2026. Okay. 2026 State of AI Agentic AI Security and Governance. All right, they have these two now, so we could probably read these for free. For free, guys. Get it now for free. If you need this website, guys, and you want to be aware of security, like good old Sigma. Good old Sigma. Yep. All right. Good old Sigma, guys. Yeah, just to let you know, I have a decade plus background in security, so I'm just here to help, guys. I'm just here to help. Some people might take my advice and some don't. You know, people are able to take everything with a grain of salt. Think on your own, guys. Think about your own. Don't be brainwashed. Don't be brainwashed. Where else we at? Okay, how is the good old, you know, the good old Mr. Productive Dude? Is he still on, guys? Is he still on? He's done? Oh no. He's done? Where is he? Come back. Come back online. Come back right now. Or come back to the chat. Come back to the chat. Good job, man. Good job. How is he? How is he? How is he? How's he doing? Oh, where's his chat? Where's his chat? Oh no, I can't see his chat. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Alright guys, I think they posted. Well, the X1 posted. Let's see
All right.
if Instagram Reel posted.
Oh wait, what? YouTube Shorts. Alright, let's watch that. Okay, let's watch X Carter Crotch. Okay. X.com Carter Sriracha. Alright. Let's follow him. And then let's go to this. Let's watch this.
I currently, now while we're talking about inference, I'm currently running 2 Claude code plans. I've got Claude 1 and Claude 2. I'm running a Codex max plan, double max plan. I'm running a Grok plan, and I'm running a Kimi code plan, and then also some open router credits.
Okay.
So, I mean, 11 labs too, I suppose, for audio. What else? The only missing link is really like a good video and image subscription, and I'm leaning more and more every day towards just going straight to the provider. Like for thumbnails and things like that, just use GPT Image 2 straight through OpenAI. You know, a lot of people are using tools like Higgsfield. I am going to be making a Higgsfield full tutorial probably because
Okay.
it's a useful tool.
Yeah, they have that what do you call it?
But
Tournament too.
I do think
Competition.
we're moving more towards where like the meta is going to be just go straight to the provider, get their API key, plug it into something like Iterated here, and get the cheapest inference and the best experience, the most custom experience to you possible.
Interesting. Okay. Okay. We'll give that a heart, dude. Keep it up. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Good old not bad. Not bad.
I currently,
I see you.
now while we're talking about
Shorts.
inference, I'm
Talking
currently
short. Looking at a short,
running 2
guys.
Claude Code plans.
Right. Oh wait.
I currently, now while we're talking about
We support our brothers in arms, guys. We support our brothers in arms. Not bad. Oh. Might wanna remove the bottom right cam. But we'll get better. We'll get better, you know? How do I get in contact with you? I seriously feel we surpass all we want to. I used to trade stock options. We plan to automate strategy next unit after I master data analysis. You're contacting me right now, brother. You're contacting me right now. Massive journey ahead of you. Yeah, you're my dude. All you do is literally talk in the chat. You know, go to my Twitch, donate, and then you'll be in the secret club. You'll be in the secret Sigma Shake club, and then I get to talk to you in Discord. That's part of the secret society of the Sigma Shake secret society. That's really all it is. If you guys don't know about trust, guys, let me tell you about trust. All right, let me tell you about the trust of the good old Sigma Shake. Buy in. Let's see. Buy. Trust. Okay, there's a lot of trust, guys. There's a lot of trust. Trust. Don't trust. Build trust. Build trust. No. Building trust. All right, building trust. All right, no, that's another thing. That's nothing. Skeptical, exceeding community. Okay, trusted. Okay, only whitelist. Okay. Trusted supporters. Oh man, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh yes. Here it is. Here it is. I need to make this better. I need to make this better. All right. There's people. All right. There's people. You know, in order to trust them in your community, because there's really bad people out there, and they ruined it for everybody. Okay. There's people worse than, you know, whoever. You know, they pissed off the Sigma. All right. They pissed off the Sigma. All right. I didn't like what they were saying. All right. And, you know, the thing is, to trust them, the vibe, the history has to be good, guys. History has to be in good standing, for one. Vibe has to be good. 2, they have to be a supporter, right? They have to be a supporter of the great old Sigma Shake, right? They have to give money into the system, all right? They give money into the system. They become a patron of the system. They get in, all right? They get in. They get in, and then they automatically have some responsibility. And with great power comes great responsibility. They become, you know, all right. they become mods, right? Be back. Have a pause. All right, guys. Since there hasn't been a crazy amount of donations recently, I'm gonna have to shut down all operations. Right? I gotta shut down all operations. But if you want me to keep going, I'll happily receive some donations. But other than that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. You know, we grinded it out. We grind out a lot of watch time today, but we also talked to a lot of folks too. Collabed with a lot of folks. You know, probably convinced Josh to stream at night too. But yeah, we gotta. Trust is all part of this, guys. You don't have this, it's hard to build trust, right? That's just how it is. That's just how it is. Like everybody that knows that's been in the stream, when they bought in, I treat them like professional clients of mine. All right, professional. It's because they bought in, and you know they're free to talk to me at any time, DM me, add me as friends. And we, yeah, that's just part of the circle, the inner circle. Other than that, guys, yeah, I'll check you out tomorrow. And thanks, guys, for watching. I know we have a lot of folks here, a lot more folks than usual. We streamed for quite a good amount of time. But thanks again for watching, guys. You have a great rest of your day. Have a good night, sweet dreams, and don't let the AI vampire keep you up at night, guys. All right, get some sleep. Okay, take care, guys. Have a good one. Peace, 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 peace.